As a project manager or product owner, have you ever experienced anxiety over delayed or underestimated items and tickets on your roadmap? As a software developer, I have seen it so many times. And today, I want to show you a recipe that allows you to mitigate the situations quickly and easily with little disruption. Let's get into it and see what it looks like.
All right, guys, let's get started. So what you see on the screen right now is a roadmap for one of my projects that I'm working on right now. This project is called Creating Secure Notepad, and it basically contains some features that represent this functionality. Like, for example, creating an interface for that roadmap, like hosting multiple tabs, encrypting the text file, adding a ribbon with a control panel for editing controls, and the actual editing controls. So all of that is lined up here on this roadmap as epics, right? So, and what I want to do is, as you can see, this roadmap contains some items that are delayed. That means that they weren't even started, or they were started and the teams weren't able to finish them on time. So what I want to do is I want to reschedule those items to a later date so that the teams could work on these items right now, and they're not like looking is delayed on this roadmap, and then readjust all of the plans accordingly, right? So let's go ahead and do what and see what we can do here, right? So let's click edit, and like on the edit screen on the preview, we can see the items which are currently scheduled and which are currently delayed. And then let's click on the item. So in order to move the delayed item, like to reschedule it, there is a functionality in the planner called Replan. So that allows me to reschedule items that are delayed to later dates, like to the nearest date on a schedule, so that it's no longer delayed, right? And then it also moves other tickets on the schedule to accommodate that change, that shift in the delivery dates, right? So let's go ahead and click Replan. All right. Now, as you can see, this item that I replanned, it moved in delivery for later date, right? And then all other items that were scheduled after that, they were also moved in priority to accommodate the team capacity that is available for a particular term, right? And some of the items, they were not even they did not fit the schedule because it's not enough capacity for teams to complete those items, right? So if you want to complete those items, we need to make sure that we extend the time box so that it accommodates the capacity needed to fulfill those items, right? So let's go ahead and do it. We customize the date, and then move it, let's say, to the end of January. Um, the end date of our time box and the time range. So let's go and preview the changes. And okay, now we don't see any warnings, and we can see that the items that were not previously scheduled, they are now on the roadmap because and some of them, they have delivery date of January of 2026, right? So, and basically we can see that they were scheduled because the system was able to schedule them because we moved the time range of the time box to a later date, right? So let's go ahead and save. All right, now we can see the updated schedule. As you can see, we no longer have any items in status delayed, and impact of the items of the new delivery dates to the other items in this time box, in this roadmap.